Hindi na makahuli kami ng hindi katulad dati na banyera-banyera. Pinakamababa sa amin, 10. Yung hindi pa natambakan dyan. Pero ngayon, wala na. Malabo na 2 banyera, 1 banyera na lang.
One of the factors for that decline is the reclamation activities in the entire Manila Bay, because without mangroves and other shallow water ecosystems, the survival of fish eggs into larvae and eventually into adult fish and mussels will not be supported.
That usually happens when there's a project being implemented. We're anticipating the time na makomplete ito and do the numbers again para malaman namin na nawala ba siya or nabugaw lang.